Good afternoon, everyone at Venom community. And today, I'd like to give you a short update. I want to address some questions that were raised in the Discord channel by the members. These questions are understandable. Questions like, there hasn't been news from Venom Foundation in a while. Things about how come the website hasn't been updated. So let's talk about these very briefly. In essence, we have had a jurisdiction change, as you know. We're now registered in the Cayman Islands. So moving out of the old regime, this took time. There were a lot of different types of legal things to take care of. Now they're resolved. And so this is why we announced our launch date for the 18th. We're on track to do that. And all the gears are starting to click in place, and you'll see the tempo start to lift as of in the next couple of days, which is why I'm sending you this message. I think a hot topic on everybody's mind is about tokens for the community and airdrops. So I want to confirm that we are going to do this. The details will be announced shortly in the coming days, so please stay tuned with us. Another couple of things regarding homework is we will be updating the website. Now we have the green light from the powers that be behind us. These are not connected to the blockchain, but there are certain standards and regulations we have to comply to. So now we can go ahead and make those changes. Even the white paper, right now it's on my desk. It's going to be revised to be current. And all of this information will be posted to the community and to the public. And again, thank you for your patience, everybody. I do understand that this is an unusual zigzag road, but hopefully now we're on the right path and we're all heading in the same direction. Have a great afternoon. Speak to you soon.